Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will share with you another high potential airdrop called Nansen. Nansen is a blockchain analytics platform providing real-time insights and tools for crypto investors by analyzing on-chain data across multiple blockchains. As you can see, it's already raised around $80 million in funding and is a confirmed airdrop. If we look at their investors, you can see they've got lots of tier 1, 2 and 3 investors backing them, which is great. If you visit their X account, you'll notice they currently have 330k followers. They share lots of information there and plan to build a strong community, which is another positive sign. If you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, you can join our Telegram channel. In the pinned message, you'll find a list of all the airdrops I am personally farming. The link is in the description, so check it out. Now, to join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram link in the description. Simply click that link and you will land on this page. Here, click on the sign up button. You need to create an account. You can use your email, but the easiest way is to sign up using a wallet. So click here, select MetaMask, then select EVM, connect, confirm, and your account is created. Now, as you can see, there are lots of options and you might be confused about what to do. They recently introduced a point system. So for that, you need to click here in the points section. First, click activate points and you'll get 20 points. Next, click the earn more button, then click on onboarding. As you can see, there are some tasks you need to complete to earn points. You'll also see some different options here. So here, click add your email, then enter your email, then click verify. Check your email, click verify email. Go back and check it's done. Next, you can connect your Discord account. Click connect. Then authorize. And it's done too. Then you can add your Telegram ID, write or paste your Telegram username, click add Telegram and it's done. Now click visit points hub. And as you can see, I've already got 40 points. Next, you need to set your portfolio. Copy and paste your MetaMask wallet. Click create portfolio and it's done. You can also add your tokens here. I'm skipping this, but you must do this. Next, click on the paid referral section. Then click earn. Here you'll find your referral link, which you can share on social media and with friends to boost your points. There are also lots of other options here, such as tokens. And also you can stake tokens and more. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.